Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see the settings that makes your Windows 10 super fast. I give 3 methods and that 3 methods makes your Windows 10 super fast, and make sure watch these all methods to make your Windows 10 super fast. And last method make your Windows 10 super fast like a rocket. It's give a lots of power to your PC or laptop. So let's go to our video and go to our first step. Our first step is very simple. We go to the start and type registry editor. Type registry editor. Here we find registry editor. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds. Click on the yes. Here we find registry editor. I center it. Here we find second option computer. Here we find second option H key current user. Expand it. Click on this arrow. Click on this arrow. Here we find control panel. Go to the control panel. Here we find control panel. Expand control panel. In a control panel desktop, we find desktop. Don't go to the here. Don't expand it. Click on the desktop folder. In a desktop folder, we find many options. Find the option MenuShowDelay. MenuShowDelay. Find that and double click on it, or right click on it and click on the modify. Both are same. Here we find value data is 400. 400 means whenever we go to the select any options or the menu options, it's delay with the 400 seconds, and that's is the main cause of the speed issue, and we are going to change it to 0. We delay with the 0 seconds and click on the OK. Now click on the cancel, and after that there is no delay on the our PC or laptop. Okay, that is our first method. Second method is also easy and simple. Go to the start and this time type system configuration. Type the system configuration and click on the system configuration. Wait for a few seconds. In a system configuration, here we find boot. Click on the boot options. Click on the boot. Click on the boot. In a boot, here we find advanced options. Click on the advanced options. In our advanced options at the top, we find number of processor. Here we find number of processors. Select this, check this option, number of processor. Here we find one options. Here we find the one. One means there are many processors. I click at here. There are many processors depending on the your PC or laptop. 8 core, 4 core, 2 core, 18 core, 16 core, 32 core. If you select only one core, that means your processor or the CPU power is divided between the cores 1, 8, 2, 10, 8, 16, 14 or any other. And if you select one, it is only the one core processor. And if you select the last option, whatever last option, 8, 16, 40 or any option, then select the last option, then it's use your all cores, and that speed up your PC or laptop at the highest level, and it's give a highest performance. So select the last core. In my case, there is only 2 processor in my core. In your case, 8, 16, 36 or any processor 32, then select the last option. Whatever last option is, select that. Click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK. It's asked for the restart. Then click on the restart. I'm making video. That's why I'm going to the exit without restart. Okay. That is our second method. And our third method is the paste method. And this method is the most powerful method. So go to the for that method, go to the start, and here type view advanced system settings. Type view advanced system settings. Click on that. I center it. System properties. I center it. Here we find advanced. If advanced is not selected, go to the advanced. Here we find performance. Go to the performance. Here we find settings. Click on the settings. In a settings, here we find let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Okay, if you select these options, and here we find many animations and many graphic options. Okay, Windows has many graphics and many animation, and these graphics and these animation require lots of CPU and RAM, and that's why our PC or laptop become a slow. That is the main cause of the PC or laptop become slow. If you're using Ubuntu is not using lots of resources, but Windows is using lots of resources because there is the lots of process performed by the Windows. Okay, this is the graphic animation and the graphics animation and the animation. And if you want to select anyone, here we find unselect anyone. If you unselect anyone, and if you want to unselect some things, then unselect that options, click on apply, okay, and restart it. It's also speed up your issue. And if you want to high performance or the best performance from your PC or laptop, go to the adjust for the best performance. Okay, select that. It's unselect all options. It's unselect all options, but only one drawback. It's reduce your graphics quality. It's reduce your PC or laptop graphics quality. So uncheck the options that you want. I uncheck all options, and then I click on the apply, click on the OK, click on the OK. It's reduced in some friction of point our graphics quality. After these all things, restart your machine, and after that 110% your PC performance or CPU performance goes to the highest level on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.